Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Muzammil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here to introduce a new token site which name is Flame Chain. We did discuss about their how we claim their airdrop in our Trust wallet, and we also discuss their live chart, white paper, verified contract. Before discussing this, I request you all please see my full video without skipping and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to show my videos first. We Let's start our this video by introducing the Flame chain. We discuss that we present Flame token, a decentralized digital asset which is built into a Binance Smart Chain. We discussed their little introduction. Flame Chain project has some great features, secure, useful and easy to use product based on Binance Smart Chain. It will include easy cryptocurrency payments integration and even a digital arbitration system. The issues of slow block confirmation and high gas fees need to be solved before we target mass adoption by mainstream users. And most importantly, it needs awesome user experiences. We aim to change that by simplifying the interaction between users and the decentralized world. We want to make interacting with the decentralized ecosystem so easy that anyone can do so without worrying about the complexity of the system. Let's we discuss their Flame Chain tokenomics. They fix their 5% in team fund, and they fix their 50% in exchange, for 15% in airdrops, and ecosystem for ecosystem is 30%. Flame Chain will not only be a digital finance revolutionary but make other a platform for the next innovation. We want to make a big breakthrough, help bring technological innovation, because there are those who cannot fulfill their big dreams due to a lack of knowledge and funding of other will be the solution to make it happen, because everyone has the right to fulfill their dreams. In the future, we will also participate in the environmental and humanitarian funding. We believe the more we help, the greater the impact will be. Before others, we discuss their Flame live chart. We click on their Flame live chart, and after some loading, we see the PooCoin BSC chart. It's a PooCoin BSC chart, and we cannot understand there, so we launch a new chart and press on the chart by trading. Here, after some loading, we launch a chart, and after loading, we face this interface. Here we can see the chart in full detail. Let's see. It's their chart. Here in chart you can see that they faces up and downs in their prices, and they start their journey with low price and value and will go to the moon in future. You can see that it is their starting point. It is their starting point and how at this point they are on their peak at this point peak level, and they will go to the moon after this. If you buy their tokens now and hold them for the few months, you can generate their huge profit, our huge profit, by selling them in future. Now we discuss their chart and go to the home page and discuss their other things like white papers. We come back to the home page, and here we see that it's their white paper. You can click on white paper and download it. By downloading it, you can search more about them. After the white paper, we discussed their roadmaps. First roadmap is April 2021. The concept for the tokenization standard is created when the founders draft an initial idea of token level compliance aimed at the solving the problems. And in my white paper release version 1.0 and release of the Flame white paper using feedback from key industry players to finalize the concept and lay out the high level roadmap for the Flame. In July, they set their airdrop. They set their phase like airdrop for only the first members of the Flame community will help to grow the project. And on 15 July. In July 2021, they also set their roadmap like Flame token sale launch. Take token sale opens to the public and is a golden opportunity to own Flame at a low price. And on July 31, it is they discuss their token sale, and you can purchase public and purchase in low price and hold and generate their huge profit after some times. In August, IEO their launchpad launch at the price. It is the price of their 0.00 something 1 BNB Flame for the total supply, and it is their total supply in August 2021. August 2021, Flame can officially be tracked via the P2P B2B platform. In August 2021, after August 15th, 2021, Flame listing on the Hotbit platform. August-September 2021, Flame D-Apps release. The release of Flame D-Apps was followed by listing Flame on the Lay token and various well-known exchange. And we see that their partners are Basic Attention Token, P2P, B2B, and their Binance Smart Chain is also their partner. And upcoming exchanger are P2B, B2B, and Lay token and Hotbit is upcoming exchangers. You can contact them by the Twitter, join your channel and join our community. You select If you select Twitter, you face the interface of the Twitter. First, you should follow them and press the bell icon, so you will updated by their developments and different updates like price, like their demand, supply. They will teach you how and when you will purchase and sell it to generate a huge profit. Well, now we discuss about how we buy their token or how we claim their airdrop. First of all, you should read this buy flame token. First of all, for claiming and buying their token, first we should open our trust wallet. First, you open your trust wallet and press the D apps and go to the back home page and copy their links. Here we are copying link copied and go to trust wallet and paste it on the D apps and search it. After searching, you should change their Ethereum into smart chain. Here we face their home page, and here we select buy flame token. And when we select the buy flame token, here you receive an interface like this, and here you click on the claim, and you see the page like what is their fees to claim it and what is the price to claim their tokens. Here you see that is 0.00 dollar, 0 BNB, and network fee is $0.18 18 cent, and max total is $0.18. And if you want to buy this, you should approve it and select their approve button. When you select the approve button, you easily receive their tokens in your trust wallet. So guys, it is the way how to claim their airdrop, and we make a complete review of this token site. So go and buy their tokens and generate a huge profit by holding in future. Thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.